Hello everyone, today we are going to start a new series where we are going to learn about artificial intelligence with the help of Python. As you can see on my screen, we are going to know about a very interesting and a large topic. So before we dive into that topic, we have to know some introductory part of it. So as you can see here, I have collected a definition from the Google Cloud documentation. They have curated a definition for what is an AI. So as you can see that it is said that they are terming AI as a set of technology that enables computer to perform a variety of advanced function, including ability to see, understand and translate spoken and written language, analyze data, make recommendation and more. As you can see that it is pretty much capable of doing much of the tasks of today. So we as we go back in time, we can see the term artificial intelligence or AI in short was termed in Dartmouth conference in the year 1956. And in the early years of AI development, it mostly focused on problem solving and symbolic reasoning. So as you can see, the AI is more advanced and more smarter than previously. So it is like a brain, and it is continuously learning and growing, and it is similar in nature of a human, but they are not human. We have created them. We have to use them in a right way. We should not use them in a malicious way. We have to be very aware of them and make others also. Otherwise, we will both explore the bad effects of it. Certainly, there are plenty of good ways to use AI, but I do not suggest you to use it in a bad way. So, learn to use AI in a smart and meticulous way. So, as you can see that today AI is like a highly professional, so they're creating chatting with us like if I was a chatbot, then I would be talking to you just like me. So they are even driving cars, as you can see. So Elon Musk is very cool. I know, we all know that. So we are seeing that AI can do pretty much cool things. So how the AI does it, we have to know it. So what is their manual or what is their blueprint? So we are going to start to know about the key concept. As you can see, the first topic we are going to know, I have divided the whole blueprint or the key concept behind the AI into a six segment. So as you can see, it starts from 06 segment. So we are going to know about the manual or blueprint or something similar term, you can say anything. So let's say key concept behind AI, so how the AI is making it happen. So we are going to know about six topics, as you can see. So we the first very topic is search, where you can say I have given an example of a tic-tac-toe game where the AI checks all the possible moves to find the best one. So the AI is searching. How this AI is searching for the best possible outcome before making a decision. We have to know about that, which is a very good topic and a very interesting one. We will start with this one. Then moving on to the second one, after completing the first topic, which is search, we'll know how we are seeing assistant, personal assistant like Siri, which stores information like your schedule or give you smart suggestion how they are doing it, how they are learning it and making the decision or utilizing this knowledge. We're gonna know about that, how they are utilizing their gain knowledge. So moving on to that, we as we know, despite learning, we might encounter some uncertain position where we do not know any solution. That is very normal. So as you can see, AI is similar to us. They are pretty much similar to a human being now, but how they deal this uncertainty like a pro or a smart way, this is also a good topic to know about. So moving on to the third topic, where we can see that optimization. We began our search in the tic-tac-toe game to reach our goal, which is the win of three matching of the symbol X or 0. So in order to achieve that in a faster and quicker way, the AI will think of all the possible moves and the best one, just like a player thinking through all possible game outcomes before making a decision. It will give a similar experience, but it will select the most efficient and less time consuming one. And moving on to the next one, which is learning, and our fourth topic, we can see that whenever we are seeing a series in Netflix, for example, it keeps a track of what kind of genre we like. Let's say I like horror, let's say, or something else. So it keeps a track of what I'm watching and keeps tabs on me. So as it keeps tabs on me, and when a new show comes up and if it is similar to my taste, then it gives me recommendation. You like this one, so you should watch the new show. So this learning based on past things or data set or anything like this, and giving us a recommendation, which is a very cool sector of AI. They are learning and giving us this recommendation and knowing us what we might want to see. So moving on to the fifth topic, we are going to know how computers are taking inspiration from the human brain and how they are using it effectively. For example, they have become our second brain. At the very end of the series, we are going to know about language. As you can see, I have given an example of a translation app where the AI translates back to us. Similar like experience, the AI tries to interpret what we are giving a prompt. As you can see, the NLP models are, for example, the ChatGPT or Cloud or Gemini. We are giving a short prompt in our natural language and it is giving a feedback, so it is thinking and processing and giving us a outcome. So today we got to know about seven topics. We will know about each of them slowly, and I will try to make it easy for you so that you can understand it bit by bit. So today, after our introductory video, we are going to start our series with the topic search, which is going to be a exciting adventure for all of us. So let's wait. So let's stay curious and learn with fear in the next video.